Hey guys, it's Sovereign, and I am back with DragonAge Origins. And I just stopped during my origin story when I was about to go get... Well, I was about to go get some elfed, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, yes. Come on, loading screen. Hurry! 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 God dang it.
Your hound is making so much noise. He seems so angry. I thought I heard yelling when I woke up, but now I hear nothing. I'm gonna see if someone's in the hall.
Nice shot! Damn! Right. That one. Okay. Okay. How dare you? How dare you attack my dog?
Don't give them the advantage.
Oh, Jesus. Come here. So I may end you.
Quickly, we must fight.
That was scary. Wow, I'm going to get fucking owned. A circle menu? Really? Can't believe there's a circle menu for a game like this. That's pathetic.
Darling, I heard fighting outside and I feared the worst. Are you hurt? Oh dear, that can't all be your blood. We have bandages here. I'll get them. A scream woke me up. There were men in the hall, so I barred the door. Did you see their shields? Those are Howe's men. Why would they attack us? You don't think Howe's men were delayed? On purpose? That bastard. I'll cut his lying throat myself.
I don't think you will.
Your father? He never came to bed.
Foreshadowing.
We must find him. And trust his mercy. What if the soldiers went into your brother's room first? Let's check on them quickly. Then we'll look for Bryce downstairs.
Rightio. Left click on the plus. Oh. Yes. Yes. You there. You buttloads of strength. Everybody, strength now. Ooh.
As you say.
Take that. Nah. Ooh. No. Yeah. Wait, let me just... Yep. Alright. Countering a little frame rate. Oh, everybody's dead. Oh, look at that face of horror.
No!
What manner of fiend slaughters innocents?
What manner of fiend slaughters innocents?
They're not very bloody. They could be faking. I do not believe them. Don't look, Mother.
Oh, I'll look. I'll remember this day when Hal dies screaming like the dog he is. Oh, poor fuckers. Let's go. I don't want to see this.
You shouldn't have looked, you dumb bitch. Gosh. You're so bloody ignorant.
It has begun.
Oh, hey, look, more people. Woo!
I shall... Here they are!
Hit him with all you got. Let's do it. Right here.
Blast it!
Quickly, we must fight!
Yeah.
I will kill them all myself.
Dirty fighting.
I will pay for what you've done.
Oh, finish him.